Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. The 2025 Genesis G90 stands as a testament to the remarkable progress of Korean automotive engineering, offering a compelling alternative to traditional European luxury sedans. With its striking design, opulent interior, and impressive performance, the G90 continues to redefine the luxury car segment. The G90's exterior is a harmonious blend of elegance and athleticism. Its signature crest grille, flanked by sleek quad headlamps, exudes a sense of prestige. The car's long, flowing lines and sculpted surfaces create a dynamic profile, while the distinctive two-tone wheels add a touch of sophistication. Inside, the G90 offers a sanctuary of tranquility and refinement. Premium Nappa leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and meticulous craftsmanship create an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury. The cabin is spacious and comfortable, with ample legroom and headroom for all occupants. The G90 also boasts a comprehensive suite of advanced technology features, including a 12.3-inch infotainment display, a premium sound system, and a host of driver assistance systems. The 2025 G90 is available with a choice of two powerful engines. The standard 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 delivers 375 horsepower and 391 lb-ft of torque, providing brisk acceleration and effortless cruising. For those seeking even more performance, the available 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 with an electric supercharger boosts output to 409 horsepower and 405 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and precise shifts. The G90 prioritizes comfort and refinement, delivering a smooth and composed ride in all conditions. Its adaptive suspension system soaks up bumps and imperfections with ease, while its well-tuned chassis provides confident handling. Despite its size, the G90 feels surprisingly agile and responsive on the road. The 2025 Genesis G90 comes equipped with a comprehensive array of safety and security features, including forward collision avoidance assist with junction turning, lane keeping assist, blind spot collision avoidance assist, rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist, smart cruise control with stop-go. The 2025 Genesis G90 is expected to start at around $90,000 for the base model and can reach upwards of $100,000 for the top-of-the-line variant. It will be available at Genesis dealerships in the latter half of 2025. The 2025 Genesis G90 is a remarkable luxury sedan that offers a compelling blend of style, comfort, performance, and technology. It is a testament to the progress of Korean automotive engineering and a worthy competitor to its European rivals. With its refined driving experience, opulent interior, and comprehensive suite of features, the G90 is sure to impress even the most discerning drivers. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.